Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to create a paid Telegram channel. Start by choosing a clear niche, set pricing, and outline membership tiers for subscribers. Use Telegram's payment bots or integrated payments to accept funds and draft channel rules and welcome messages. Schedule exclusive posts and pin a payment instruction message to reduce confusion. Test the sign-up flow with a small group to catch issues before full launch. Begin with a channel name, description, and clear branding that matches your niche. Configure admin permissions and choose whether the channel is public or invite-only for exclusivity. Connect a payment processor or bot that handles subscriptions and receipts, and create automated welcome messages for each tier. Pin a tutorial post explaining benefits, cancellation steps, and refund policy to build trust and reduce support requests from new members. Focus on delivering predictable value to encourage renewals and referrals. Mix exclusive content like guides, videos, and live queue, and sessions to keep members engaged. Use polls and feedback forms to learn what subscribers want and iterate quickly on offerings. Offer occasional discounts or bonus content for long-term members, and set clear cancellation and refund policies to maintain credibility. Track metrics like conversion rate and churn to guide improvements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.